Hi guys, tired of seeing lint and fabric pills ruining your favorite clothes? If you are looking for the best rechargeable fabric shaver to make your garments look fresh again, you are in the right place. Welcome back to Tech Product, where we share smart tools that make everyday life easier. Let's get started. Today we are talking about the GaiaTop Rechargeable Fabric Shaver. This small device is designed to bring your clothes and home fabrics back to life. Over time, sweaters, coats, and even sofas can collect fuzz and little fabric balls. Instead of throwing those items away, this shaver helps restore them quickly and easily. The GaiaTop Rechargeable Fabric Shaver is built with a strong ABS plastic shell, so it feels solid in your hand. On the inside, it uses a thickened stainless steel grill and a razor-sharp 6-leaf blade system. This combination allows it to remove lint and pills efficiently without damaging the fabric. The powerful motor works together with an efficient suction system. As it cuts the fuzz, it pulls the lint directly into the storage compartment. That means cleaner results with less mess. Even though it is powerful, the device is compact and lightweight. It measures only 2.4 by 2.44 by 5.8 inches and weighs just 8.4 ounces. This makes it easy to hold for longer sessions without feeling tired. You can also pack it in a bag when traveling, so your clothes always look neat wherever you go. One of the best parts is the rechargeable design. You can charge the GaiaTop Rechargeable Fabric Shaver using a wall adapter, a laptop, a power bank, or even a car charger. A full charge takes about 1.5 hours and gives you up to 2.5 hours of continuous use. That is more than enough time to refresh multiple items in one go. Another standout feature is the digital display. This screen clearly shows the battery level and the operating gear. You always know how much power is left and which setting you are using. It gives you better control and avoids sudden power loss while working. The lint storage compartment is also thoughtfully designed. It has a large 100 milliliter capacity, which means you do not need to empty it too often. The compartment is transparent, so you can see when it is getting full. It is also removable, making cleaning quick and simple. The GaiaTop Rechargeable Fabric Shaver works on a wide range of fabrics. You can use it on sweaters, winter coats, scarves, gloves, plush toys, sofa upholstery, bedding, curtains, and even car seats. It is a versatile tool for keeping your home and wardrobe looking fresh. Safety is also a priority. The bionic honeycomb mesh protects your fabrics from accidental cuts. The device automatically turns off if the lid becomes loose, adding an extra layer of protection. It also includes charging protection to prevent overcharging, helping extend the life of the battery. Small device, big difference. If you want to extend the life of your clothes and keep everything looking smooth and clean, this is a smart choice. Check the price link in the description for more details, and do not forget to like and subscribe to Tech Product for more helpful gadgets. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.